Good afternoon, this is Todd Rothstein of Great Falls Construction, Gorham, Maine. And I'm standing in front of the Gorham House of Pizza building that we've started to demo. As you can see behind me from the roof line, there's some sections cut out and that we intend to remove the entire roof, but I just wanted to give you a look from the ground, and then in a few minutes we'll take a look upstairs and see how the demolition's going. So at this point, we got several sections. You've got the remaining roof still standing, and then we're slowly starting to remove the sections of the roof that are going to be discarded and rebuilt. And we put a special railing, just safety railing above, so that we're up on top now. The workers are protected. And we're going to go upstairs, take a look. You'll see some of the demo that we've done, and of course you'll see it from the bird's eye view of the roof. So right now I'm on the second floor, and you can see all behind me and around me all of the finished materials, such as the ceilings and the walls have all been stripped down to the studs. And right now we have some of the flooring, finished flooring still there, but that'll come out later when we put the finished flooring, before we put the finished flooring back on. So you can see clear through from pretty much one end of the building to the next. It'll be cleaned out as we go. It's not too bad right now, actually. And here we are now going to the third floor, where this was where the major fire damage was. And as you can see, as I step up, there's no longer an attic space. We've removed probably almost half of the roof. We've got our safety walls we'll be putting up around the perimeter. And so we're just sectioning off, so it's very carefully done. With a project like this on a main street, you just can't have a process. And you can see we've taken off the small studs, left the support beams to hold up the rest of the timbers, to hold up the rest of the roof as we go. And just taking it small sections at a time. And then we have a setup where we have the dumpsters down below on two spots, just so we can remove this roofing. Once the roofing is done, we'll be able to remove all of this material, reframe the decking, and then basically start reframing our roof so that we can close this in as soon as possible and then start putting in our finishes inside the rest of the building. So as you can see, it's a challenging job. We've been at it for a few days here, and this was one of the apartments that we had taken a look at weeks ago. And here, of course, down to the lath. These walls originally were plastered walls, and they had put on these lats, which are thin pieces of strapping, and then they just coat the walls with the plaster material. So there you have it. Gorham House of Pizza in Gorham, Maine is officially starting in the rebuilding of itself. And this is Todd Rothstein of Great Falls Construction, Gorham, Maine. Proud to be part of this project and the resurrection of this icon in the corner of Gorham, Maine. So again, any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 207-839-2744, or look us up on the web at greatfallsinc.com. Anytime you have a question or a project, please feel free to give us a call. Not too big, not too small. Thanks.